Alright, this is Dylan Inglet and I'm presenting my creative assignment 2, and I decided to recreate the classic Atari game Pong. So right here we have our flat button, start game. You click start game and you go into the game, and you can see that player 1 has the left paddle and player 2 has the right paddle, and you can control the paddle using the arrow keys and the WASD keys. So you can go up and down. You can also see in the left and right corner that there's a score, and I'll show you right here. I will move the paddle out of the way and I'll let the ball pass to the edge, and you can see it gives player 1 a point and it resets the ball's direction, and it always reverses the directions just to make it fair. So see right here, we're gonna hit the ball and it should reverse the direction if we hit the ball. And let's have player 2 score a point. And player 2 gets a point. Now let's have player 1 get a point just to show how it does increment the points. Player 2 gets a point. And I'll let player 1 get another point. And okay. And this pretty much concludes my video demonstration.